Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us one more smartwatch from Boat and it's the Boat Watch Zenit. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will show you the features. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the picture of the smartwatch and here we have the model name Watch Zenit. And at this side we have some key features such as 1.3-inch IPS display, customizable watch faces, sleep, heart rate and SpO2 monitoring. At the back we have some more key features such as call and text notification, IP67 dust and sweat proof, menstruation cycle tracker for females. It's compatible with both Android and iOS, multiple sports modes, camera and music control, and this smartwatch comes with the bonus features such as theater mode and inbuilt game. And here we have the box content info. The MRP of this smartwatch is Rs 6,990. However, the launch price of this smartwatch is only 1,999. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we have the watch itself. And guys, this smartwatch is available in 3 colors: teal green, grey and black. And the one we have here is the grey color. And it has this chrome finish on the dial. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the warranty card, product catalog, and here we have the user guide. And here we have the QR code to download the companion app. And guys, one more thing I should tell you that you also get this screen guard, which is really good, and I guess is the first budget smartwatch which comes with a screen guard. And then finally in the box we get the charging cable, and here is how it connects at the back of the watch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Boat Watch Zenit is a budget smartwatch. You're getting this smartwatch for just Rs 2,000, and in this price, my first impression is that the build quality and design is pretty decent. The straps are made up of good quality material and also feels comfortable on the hand. In terms of the design, I find this chrome finish on the dial good, though the watch is made up of plastic, and that is the main reason this smartwatch is also lightweight. In terms of the overview, we have the 1.3-inch IPS display in this smartwatch. And on this side, we have these 2 buttons, and both these buttons work similarly. And with these buttons, you can turn on and off the display and go back to the previous menu. Now looking at the back of the smartwatch, we have the heart rate, SpO2 sensor along with the charging pins. So in terms of the design and build quality, I find this smartwatch from Boat very good, and I think right now it's the best smartwatch in terms of the design under Rs 2,000. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So here it is on and ready to pair. The app Boat Hub is available on both Android and iOS, and here we have the app installed. And for pairing, just go to the Add Device section and select the watch. And that's it, our smartwatch is now ready to use. Now let's look at the watch features first. So here we are on the watch face, and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. You can also add more watch faces from the companion app, which I will show you in a moment. In terms of the controls, swiping down from the top shows you the quick settings, and here we have the brightness, weather and the settings. Swiping up from the bottom shows you the notification history. Swiping left from the right side will give you the access to the quick cards such as step count, sleep data, heart rate, SpO2, music and so on. To access the main menu, you would need to swipe left from the right side, and here we have the menu. So first we have the step count, and guys, one thing which I have noticed here that the touch is responsive, however there is a lag in the menu, and also there are these accidental touches every now and then, which is little concerning. Now coming back to the menu, after the step count we have the sleep data, and then we have the heart rate. This smartwatch supports continuous heart rate monitoring, but guys, this data is not correct. As you can see, I'm not even wearing the watch, and here you can see the heart rate, and similar thing I have noticed with the SpO2, which is disappointing. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the training mode, which includes sports modes such as walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball and football. Then we have the weather menu, which shows you the current weather along with the weather forecast. After that we have the shutter, which is the remote camera shutter. And then we have the music menu, and here you can control the music on your phone, but you don't get the soundtrack name and the volume controls in this smartwatch. Then in the menu we have the settings, and again like the Boat Watch Vertex, we have the stopwatch, alarm and timer in the settings menu, which according to me should be in the main menu. After that in the settings we have the brightness, vibration alert and the usual power off, reset and about menu. So in terms of the other features, this smartwatch also supports raise to wake feature, which surprisingly works pretty good, and you get the raise to wake as well as flick wrist to turn on the screen feature. And also you get this inbuilt game in this watch, Young Bird, which is similar to the Flappy Bird, and you need to tap on the screen to guide the bird, and I find it a pretty good time pass. So that's all the features we have on the watch, and feature wise it's good, but the hardware is not that good, especially for fitness data such as heart rate, SpO2 and so on. Now let's look at the companion app Boat Hub. So here we are on the home page. So first we have the fitness data on the top, which includes step count, calories burned, distance and the active minutes. You can also tap on any of these to see the historical data. And at the bottom we have the heart rate, sleep and the SpO2 data. On the home page we have the connected device status, and when you tap on it you can see the settings. And here you can see the remaining battery on the smartwatch. And then below it we have the watch face store. And guys, here we have 100 plus cloud-based watch faces, and you can also create a custom watch face for your smartwatch. Then in the settings we have the notification menu, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your watch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, in this smartwatch you can reject the call from the watch itself. And here is how you get the message alert. You don't get the preset replies option or the emoji support in this smartwatch. So that's all the features we have in the app. And guys, I find the companion app layout good and the user interface is easy to understand. So overall the Boat Watch Zenit is a budget smartwatch. Design and build quality wise it's pretty decent, keeping in mind the pricing. But if you're looking to buy a smartwatch for fitness data, then I won't be recommending this smartwatch to you, as the heart rate and the SpO2 reading is not correct. Nonetheless, if you're looking for a smartwatch only for app notifications and other smart features, and also if the fitness data such as heart rate and SpO2 is not your requirement, then you can for sure check out this smartwatch. But if you ask me, I personally wouldn't recommend this smartwatch due to the wrong fitness data. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Boat Watch Zenit. Let us know if you like this watch, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.